job today out here at Wentworthville for an iiNet customer. Basically, he's just moved into this premises here, and he's got his iiNet service, and they've told him to plug everything in and switch it all on, and it all should work, but nothing worked. He'd been onto them on the phone, and they'd been through a number of different things to try and sort of see if this could work by unplugging things and plugging things in, you know, the way they do it. But anyway, so what I've worked out is that this cable here that I'm connected to, you can't see, but underneath there you might be able to see the black cable. That's basically the leading cable, okay? Now that cable is going back out through the two pits and actually going into a Telstra CAN. I've got my lines test set on it here, and as you can see, if I push this, that's going out to 1.5. So that usually equates to about 1.5 kilometres. So that's how far this line is connected out to, so about 1.5. So it's, and I've spoke to the customer, he reckons that's where the exchange is, roughly about 1.5 k's away. So there's a good chance that that is that. So I'll just prove to you now that this line is actually getting out to the Telstra joint. So what's probably happened, they've probably got it connected to the wrong LI, or the wrong cable information hasn't been updated with MPAMs. So you will need to get a tech to come out here and to buzz from here back to the pillar, I guess, or back to the exchange, and just connect it up to the right O-pairs or main pairs or whatever needs to be done. So I will buzz this out now and just prove it to you. So as you can see, that's the Telstra CAN here, and his pair is going into the CAN. So he does have a leading cable. It's not an internal wiring issue. So iiNet, you're going to need to contract Telstra, ISGM, or whoever to come out and to connect this customer up to the right pair back, so it goes to the right LI in the exchange. All right, thank you. Bye.